In this video, I will show you how to install JioTV on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to install JioTV, the first option is for you to search for the App Store on your smart TV. Once you come over to App Store, you're going to go to a search bar where we're going to quickly try to type in the keyword JioTV. So when we type in JioTV, this is what is going to happen. So JioTV. I thought I was typing that. All right, JioTV. So as you've done that, you're going to click on the search button. And unfortunately for me, I don't have JioTV on my App Store. But if you have it on your App Store, you're going to see the application there. You can go ahead and download or install to your smart TV. But if you don't see JioTV on your smart TV, no worries. There's a video attached to this current one where I'm going to show you how to install JioTV on your smart TV without Play Store, or if you face a problem like this. So just click on the video right now and go ahead and watch it.